Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your ultimate guide to navigating the tech world one tap at a time. Today we are answering a common topic, Top 8 WhatsApp Secret Tricks. Here's a quick overview of what we will dash through. 1. Customizing alert tones. 2. Bold text. 3. Pinning chats. 4. Broadcast list. 5. Hide last seen or profile picture for specific contacts. 6. Mark messages as unread. 7. Disable read receipts. 8. WhatsApp communities. Let's get started. At number 1. Customize alert tones for different groups. Let's be real. Keeping track of all those notifications can feel like juggling flaming swords. But here's a trick. Assign different alert tones to different groups. You will know exactly which group is buzzing you without even glancing at your phone. Like a notification ninja. To customize alert tones for different WhatsApp groups on your phone, open WhatsApp and navigate to the group chat for which you want to change the alert tone. Tap on the group name at the top of the screen to open the group info page. Tap on Notifications option. Select Notification Tone. You can choose from the default WhatsApp sounds or pick a custom tone from your phone storage. After selecting your desired tone, tap OK or Save to apply it. Now, that specific group will have its own unique alert tone, allowing you to instantly recognize who is messaging without even checking your phone. Number 2. Bold text. So you want to make your WhatsApp messages bold, huh? Maybe you want to add some flair to your text, or perhaps you're just trying to sound like you are really shouting from across the screen. Either way, it is super easy. All you need to do is add an asterisk before and after the word or sentence you want to bold. It is like giving your message a little power up. Let's say you are trying to get someone's attention and you type, "I need coffee." Without those asterisks, it is just a regular sentence. But when you type asterisk, "I need coffee," asterisk, you are practically screaming it at them. Number 3. Pin chats to the top. If you have certain chats that you use more frequently than others, you can pin them to the top of your chat list. You don't have to search for them every time you open the app. It is a great way to save time and stay organized. To pin a chat in WhatsApp, find the chat you want to pin, whether it is an individual or group chat that you use frequently. On Android, simply swipe right on the chat you want to pin. Once you swipe, you will see a pin option appear, usually as an icon or text. Tap on it, and the chat will be pinned to the top of your chat list. No matter how many new messages come in from other chats, you can pin up to 3 chats, and they will stay at the top until you decide to unpin them. This way, your most important chats will always be front and center, saving you time and sparing you the endless scrolling. Number 4. Broadcast list. With the broadcast list feature, you can send a message to multiple people at once instead of copying and pasting your message over and over again. To apply a broadcast list on WhatsApp using an Android phone, open the app and go to the chat screen. Tap the 3 dots menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then select View Broadcast from the drop-down menu. You'll be prompted to select the contacts you want to send the broadcast message to. Tap on the contacts you wish to include in the list. Once you have selected all the contacts, tap Create. Now you can send a message to all the selected contacts at once. The recipients will receive the message individually, as though it was sent directly to them, but they will only get it if they have your number saved in their contacts. This feature is perfect for sending updates or announcements to multiple people without the need for a group chat. Number 5. Hide last seen or profile picture for specific contacts. Want to keep your last seen and profile photo a bit more private? Maybe there are a few people who don't need to know when you are online or what your latest profile pic looks like. No worries. WhatsApp lets you customize your privacy settings so you can keep things on the down low. Here's how. First, open WhatsApp and go to Settings. From there, tap on Privacy. You will see options for last seen and profile photo. Select the one you want to customize, then choose My Contacts Except. Now you can pick the specific people you want to exclude from seeing your info. And just like that, your WhatsApp is a little more exclusive. It is like having a secret club with your privacy settings. No one will know when you are online unless you want them to. Number 6. Mark messages as unread. I'm sure you have done this before, forgetting to reply to a message after reading it, or needing a bit more time to respond. By marking messages as unread, you remind yourself to respond to them later. To mark messages as unread in WhatsApp on your Android phone, first open the app and go to the chat list. Find the conversation that you want to mark as unread, then simply long press on the chat you want to mark. After a moment, you'll see a menu appear at the top of the screen. Tap the Mark as Unread icon. It looks like a small envelope. This will mark the message as unread, so the chat will appear with a bold font, reminding you to reply later. It is a great way to ensure you don't forget to respond to important messages, even if you have already seen them. Number 7. Disable read receipts, blue ticks. If you are not a fan of the blue ticks, the ones that let people know you have read their messages, you can turn them off so no one can see when you have read their texts. It is perfect for those times when you don't want to seem like you are ignoring someone or just need a little more time to craft the perfect reply. To do this, open WhatsApp and go to Settings. Then tap on Privacy and turn off Read Receipts. That's it. You will no longer have to worry about people seeing when you have read their messages. But just a heads up, turning off read receipts also means you won't be able to see when others have read your messages either. It is a bit of a privacy trade-off. But hey, sometimes a little mystery can be fun. Number 8. WhatsApp Communities. WhatsApp presently introduced a new feature called Communities. With Communities, you can easily bring all your groups together in one place, send announcements, and manage conversations between multiple groups. Just tap on the New Communities tab, select Start a Community, and fill in the details needed. And the best part, you can actually make money from your WhatsApp communities. These are some of the ways you can monetize, and you can easily do it with free platforms like Nasio. With Nasio, you can easily create and promote events, manage subscribers, and sell digital products directly to your WhatsApp community members. And there you have it. You have just unlocked the top 8 WhatsApp secret tricks, from customizing your alert tones and making your text bold to pinning important chats and creating broadcast lists. Whether you are hiding your last seen from certain contacts or marking messages as unread for later, those features will definitely enhance your WhatsApp experience. Remember, WhatsApp isn't just for texting. It is your all-in-one tool for everything from group chats to WhatsApp communities. Once you start using these tricks, you will be a WhatsApp pro in no time. Who knows, you might even become the go-to person for all things WhatsApp related. If this guide helped you master some new tricks, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more tech tips. Which feature are you most excited to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments and maybe share with a friend who is still trying to figure out how to send a voice note. Until next time, keep chatting, keep laughing, and stay connected. And hey, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.